back to my channel. So this is your girl Cavell. So today I wanted to bring you this amazing nail haul. So it's gonna be an Amazon nail haul. I've been on my nail game for a very long time. I've been doing my nails with like whether just regular polishes or gel polishes and do my own design. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've definitely seen me do a few different nail designs. So acrylic has been something that I've always wanted to tap into. When I was about 14 or 15, I did my first set of acrylics on myself. It turned out pretty decent, I would say. So I just feel like it's something that I would be able to master. So while I'm in this whole quarantine mode, I figured it was something that I should kind of get on top of and just see how well I could test my hand at this. So these are a few products that I bought, and honestly I think this would be beginner friendly. There's a few other products that I'm still waiting on to be delivered to me, but I was too eager and a little bit too excited to make this video for you guys. So we're gonna get right into this with the products that I have bought. So a few of the products, they came to me like sporadically over time. I do have Amazon Prime, so I got like a few of the things fairly quickly, and then others I did have to wait. So what I did, there was a few of the little tiny boxes that came to me. So this first box, I compiled some of the smaller items into, and I'm gonna go in like no particular order. I'm just gonna be going through the different packages as they were given to me. So the first thing that I got is a nail nipper. And this is just by Chromax Care, and this I think was about, I'm gonna actually pull up the price of what I paid for each of these things just so you have an idea, because what I really did want to do, I wanted to make sure that the things that I was purchasing was quite affordable, because during this quarantine, like, there's limited stock for certain things, and I didn't want to just purchase something at whatever price because I needed it at this apparent moment. So the things that I could do without, I didn't go ahead and purchase. I'd rather just wait until I'm able to get it for a decent price instead of just purchasing something that I know that, like, if I waited like a little bit, I could have gotten for like $4 or $5 cheaper. Yes, I told you guys I'm very frugal. I don't like to spend money unnecessarily, and wherever I can get a discount, I'm definitely gonna do so. This nail nipper was actually $9.99, so not bad at all. I bought the nail nipper to have something to be able to, you know, clean like the cuticle area and all that stuff. The next thing that I purchased was the Makartt the tips, and there is 500 in here, and it ranged between 0 to 9, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and I'm gonna just open that up so I can show you what it's gonna look like. So these ones are the number 2, and they are a little bit shorter, like compared to what I actually go to the nail salon and do my nails. So that's what it looks like. Personally, I think it's short, but I could be wrong. Oh well, that one fell. We'll take that up after. The next set of items that I got were a few drill bits. So this particular one, focus, would be the safety drill bit, and this one's fine. And then I have another one here, and this one is extra fine. And these are all ceramic drill bits, by the way. And for this particular one, this medium for the home. In here would be the this would be from Young Nails, and this is the acrylic powder. Let's see. Yeah, and this is just in cover rosebud. And for this particular acrylic powder, this was $20.51. I did also get the Cover Beige, and that as well is in the Young Nails brand. And as well, I got the Speed Clear, and as well that would be within the Young Nails. Just gonna get this box. I have so many boxes, it's unreal. So also this would be the liquid Monomer, and that would be from Young Nails as well. The Monomer I know was about $34.99, and everything that I've mentioned so far came from Amazon. And the next thing I have is the Protein Bond. Ooh, you definitely can't see this. Oh, there we go. And so that would be the Protein Bond, and that's from Young Nails as well. The other one that I got would be the KADS Kolinsky brush. And for this brush, I got it in a number 14. I wish I'd gotten it in like a 10 or 12, but to be honest, this was the only thing that I was seeing, and I was very eager to receive the items and make this a video. So let me just give you a close-up of the brush. As I said, it's the number 14, and then the bristles look like that. So this brush was $18.50. Also, the prices that I'm giving are in Canadian dollars. I forgot to mention that as well. So yes, everything is in Canadian dollars. Just pop that back in just so I can be a little bit organized when I gotta put all these things away. And the next thing was the KADS nail glue, and to be honest, when I was searching for the nail glue, there wasn't much in terms of options, and these came in like a little thing of 10 for like $11 or somewhere around there. So the KADS glues, that's what they look like, and there's about 10 of them in here, so I have enough to last me for quite a while. Okay. I have some nail files as well as the buffers that are coming to me. Those ones I can wait on that. Everybody knows they're gonna need some nail files and buffers if you're a beginner trying to do this. But so the other thing I got, and I'm super excited about, I got a nail trainer, the practice hand, and I'm gonna take that out to let you see what that is. And this was about $36, and this was one of the ones that took the longest to arrive. Okay, so it comes just in that little thing, just like that. Okay, and then this is what it looks like. And these the little fingers, and that flexible moves around, and then this little thing is just what you screw onto your table or whatever you're gonna put it onto. And it comes with the little pieces that you snap into place here for the nails. And those are what you work with, so it does come with quite a bit. Let me just see if it tells how many pieces it comes with. It doesn't tell me how many pieces it come with, but for my guess, I'm thinking about 50. Could be somewhere around there. But yes, I am very excited about this practice hand, so that way I can get my practice on. I'm definitely also going to be practicing on myself since I've been doing my nails for quite a while, so look out for a nail tutorial, or let me know if you even want to see me do my nails. Okay, I think that's about it for all the little supplies that I got. A dapping dish, I did not get a dapping dish because all the ones I was seeing was like $14 and like some mad amount of money, which I'm just like, I can get one for like $2, but I'm sure I can find a shot glass somewhere around here. My overall order came to about $190, and as I said, some of the things that didn't come to me as yet. I'm still waiting to receive those. I also got like one of the nail clip cutters, so that I'm waiting for as well, and that one was like $2.55, but I think that's being shipped from like China or somewhere, so that's why I haven't received it as yet, but that's perfectly fine. I'm pretty sure with like the items that I've got, that I've gotten, I should be able to do my nails with that, and I will definitely record a video for you guys just to show you what I was able to do with what I got. I do also have like a nail drill that I purchased, but this was not a part of my Amazon purchase. So what I'm gonna do, this will be just based on my Amazon haul and all the things that I've gotten, and I will do a separate video to preview the nail drill that I end up purchasing. But these are the things that I purchased, guys, for my beginner acrylic nail journey, and I'll definitely be sharing this journey with you. This is just another skill that I wanted to, you know, just have underneath my belt during this time of quarantine, and like, you know, just keeping myself busy and active. So you guys just look out for that video shortly, and let me know if I'm missing anything in my kit as well. But I'm pretty sure with what I've got, I'll be able to get this done. Nail forms, I don't think I'm really going to be doing any forms. I'm not going to be doing any professional nails or doing nails for people at the moment. I'm just really trying to perfect my skills first before I offer my service to people. So I didn't purchase any forms or anything like that. And then in terms of the acrylics, I'm definitely going to be getting a few more, and I will be, once I'm doing my nails, I'll also preview the young nail acrylics as well and let you know what I think about those once I get an opportunity to try them. But that's what I've gotten so far. Let me know how your quarantine is going, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, and I just want to give a big shout out for all of the people that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I cannot say enough about the love and support that I've gotten so far since I have started or restarted my channel. And for all the people that are new here, I encourage you to watch a few more of my videos, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button so that way you can stay up to date with all the things that I post. Thank you so much, guys.